ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Udaloy jong ke elaka joai uba puraman kinjing hakash photre unai tong ajar phosau ula plat pat ba yaga kot kebla Thoh hakaktin Assamese yaka bla jia kerteng Jaiñtia Pahar ni Rilum Jaiñtia bla Thoh du Bhaskar kiran bora yaka dika kot la Thoh kat kum gajing syam jong Bhaskar kiran bora haki ar phos na menshwa bar ula le jingo e Rilum Jaiñtia bar ula Thoh ru shapang gajai ben ru Pnar ka Kolshor ka nyamtre ki khana tang bat kiwe Hakajingalang ka belingkot ka belalong hakashlam trikam udaloy Bhaskar la pintem ba uyapit e ka Kolshor jang jai bin ru Pnar haki ar phos na menchwa haba ula yo la banishim binta hakale nyam bedin klam ka bajulong man la usnam bat adu kata kapor la beteng belet yu kejat Rilum Jaiñtia la bun sin bentip khambanya shaphangi beriu bat shaphang ka Kolshor jang jai bin ru Pnar Bhaskar ula pentip ru ba ka kurim jong u ka priyam bora kala ai min sim u ban Thoh ya kan ka kon ya ka ba ula thmuru ban pen kala sha ktien phareng uba puraman kinjing ula ai khubleiru yo kiran halo ka jingjop jong u ba ula pen paru ka jingkermen baginong shongshnong jong ka jala Assam bat hibriyo ki ba puli ya ki kot haka ktien Assamese kin tip khambania shu ya ka Kolshor jong jai bin ru Pnar ba ya ka khana tang ka jongki.
When I first came, I was totally ignorant about Jaiñtia Hills and Jaiñtia Kingdom. First I saw Vediklam. I was attracted by the festival. Then after some years, I discovered beautiful things, many beautiful things like culture and civilization. And with the help of actually Bajap, he helped me to move everywhere. I went to Natyang, I went to Sindai. I saw many good things, especially the old culture, stone culture of the Jaiñtia Kingdom. That attracted me, and many things like culture and about the community hall, about the system, social system, everything attracted me. But actually my wife, she forced me to write this book. Actually, basically, I'm not a writer. I'm a filmmaker. I am interested in filmmaking. I like to make documentaries, feature films. I've directed many documentaries, 2-3 feature films, and first Jaiñtia picture one is also I directed. But this is the first time, and now I am determined to write another 2-3 books about Jaiñtia people, Pahar people, about Vediklam, and I have some programs in future. Last 20 years, that's after 20 years experience, when I explored whole Jaiñtia Hills, I moved all over every places, historical places, villages. After that, I decided to write. Still, I have to learn, I have to explore many things, and I will translate it to English, the revised version. I will add more things. I left some subjects, especially sacred groups and some cultures. So I will add the things in my English book. The book will be the Jaiñtias. I'll go in detail with some more photographs. So.